tune like
Hey Glow family, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be testing out the Urban Hydration collection, their hair collection, of course, because they have other products such as skincare, body care, things of that nature. But today we're going to be testing out their hair care products. They sent over their whole collection. I'm super excited to try it out, and let's see how this works on my hair. So I'm going to be starting on dry, dirty hair. As you guys can clearly see, you can see that my hair is dry and we need a good wash. So before going in with the shampoo, I like to drench my hair with water because my hair just works way better when my hair is drenching wet, especially when I apply a shampoo on it. So the shampoo I'm going to be using is the Honey Repairing Shampoo. It's filled with veggie glycerin, ginger, essential oil, pro vitamin B5, and aloe leaf. This shampoo helps to repair damage, prevent breakage, and it also helps tame frizz. So I noticed when I was putting this shampoo in, it definitely feels pretty soapy, I would say, but soapy in like a very good way. It felt super moisturizing. The texture of this shampoo, I really did like it. It was very different and it lathered up very well, as you guys can see, and girl, it really did cleanse my hair. So I'm not mad at it whatsoever. It was a pretty good shampoo and I really did enjoy it when I was working it into my hair. Since I don't have a conditioner, I'm going to be using the deep conditioner. This also has veggie glycerin, ginger, avocado oil, aloe leaf, and pro vitamin B. So this is supposed to break through tangles while cleansing and moisturizing your strands. It promotes shine while also repairing damage. So one thing I noticed about this deep conditioner is that it was super thick and you get a lot of product. So you get a bang for your buck really, because you get so much product. I love that this deep conditioner came in a pump. It's very convenient. So I really did enjoy this deep conditioner because girl, it was super thick. It had a lot of slip, especially when my hair was drenching wet, and it was super moisturizing. You cannot say this product doesn't have moisture until you try it. Like, you have to try this deep conditioner because it was just that moisturizing. So get into this definition, honey. After me rinsing out that deep conditioner and using that shampoo, my hair just feels so clean, so purified and moisturized. And girl, look at that definition. No product at all. Like, what? Get into it. So for the next product, this is the Leave On Conditioning Detangling Spray. This is filled with veggie glycerin, aloe leaf, grapeseed extract, and argan oil. So this claims to detangle your curls without harsh breakage. So honestly, I really do love this product, y'all. Like, it's a different type of leave-in, especially for a detangling spray. It feels just like water on your hair, so that's what I really enjoy about it. But it has like all the beneficial things that your hair needs, but in the process it's so easy to use. I love the nozzle, so I really did enjoy this detangling spray. It felt super moisturizing. It did detangle my hair and it was super effective. So if I had to rebuy anything from this line so far, definitely rebuy this detangling spray because girl, it's thebomb.com. So to style my hair, I'm going to be using the Creamy Moisture Retaining Hold Style Setting Cream. It's filled with veggie glycerin, shea butter, cocoa seed butter, and rosemary extract. This also helps to repair damage, promote health, and tame your frizz. This whole collection helps to do that. So it says that this cream defines your curl pattern for a natural curly look, adding moisture and nourishment from the vitamins and the oils that work to reduce dryness and frizz. So I decided to do two-strand twists because I wanted a more relaxed style, and also I wanted to see how well this product can really hold moisture since it claims to reduce the dryness and frizz. One thing I noticed about this styling cream is that it's super creamy. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing. As soon as it touched my hair, it immediately melted into my hair. I am absolutely in love with this product right here because I feel like it's perfect for twist outs. It's perfect for any type of style that you're trying to set. I really couldn't deny the moisture that was there because I had so much moisture that I was like, wow, this product is so nourishing. It is very moisturizing. And like, where has this product been all my life? You know, especially for a two-strand twist, this product is definitely a good product for two-strand twist. Like, I highly recommend. I'm in love. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm really in love with this styling setting cream. You gotta pick it up. So this is 2 days later. I wanted to show you guys how my twists were looking, how fresh they still look. But girl, we need to lay these edges. So I'm going to be using their Honey Edge Control. This is the Pro Edge Control. And this edge control is supposed to sleek those baby hairs. And it's a pretty thick edge control, by the way. So a little does go a long way. When I'm applying edge control like this, that's pretty stiff, I do like to warm it up on my hands and then just apply it on my edges and really rub that product in until it's dry. And girl, my edges was getting slicked and laid with this Honey Edge Control. Like, do you see my hair coming back in line? Like, girl, get into it. To refresh these twists, I'm going to start off with that Leave On Conditioning Detangling Spray. I'm just going to spray it all over my hair to really get it nice and soaked and bring some moisture back to my hair and also bring some wetness back to my hair. That way I can unravel them and twist them back up. I'm going to use the Honey Daily Moisturizer. It's basically a leave-in conditioner. I love the consistency of this product. Little bit goes a long way. So I just unravel the twist, rub that in my hair, and retwist it back up. And look how refreshed my twists look just by doing that simple step. So I just continue this process throughout my whole head until my twists look completely refreshed and looks like I just did them on the first day. Honestly, you guys, these two products, the detangling spray and the daily moisturizer, they really go hand in hand. I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna say, girl, why did you do your edges before you actually retwist your hair? That's just a way that I do my hair, and it also just makes them look more fresher instead of me going in doing my hair first and then my edges, because sometimes I can cause frizz by, you know, brushing my hair and all of that. I went in with that styling cream, took a little bit of my hands to warm up the product, and applied it all over my hair as I would if I had a mousse. But since this product is so lightweight, I could add it on top of my twist after using that detangling spray and that daily moisturizer. All of these products combined together, they're not heavy at all on the hair. They didn't cause me to get any buildup like some products usually do when they're too heavy, but these products were the perfect consistency. They were lightweight on my hair, and I really did enjoy them. My two-strand twists look nice and refreshed. They look juicy, hydrated, conditioned. Like, girl, these are going to be like my go-to products for doing two-strand twists now. So hope you guys found this video to be insightful and helpful, seeing my results and my first impressions of using the Honey Urban Hydration hair care line. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of Urban Hydration on my channel, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. And as always, let's continue to grow and glow together. Bye.
Give it to them like glorious. How to taste, I need some more of this. Yeah, come and get a cup while I'm still pouring. It's incredible. Open up that gate like, girl, you better go. He said it so. I'm not into forcing, I just let it flow. Timeless. Can't be living with no conscience. This how it looks when you ain't got a lot of options. Stop it. All I speak is truth like a prophet. He gained a role, but tell me, did he really profit? Telescope, vision on the telescope.